Is your car start shaking when you tune the AC on? As you can see, after tuning the AC and the light on, it is shaking this much. And your dash light tunes off when you tune the headlight on, just like like that. Now the headlight is on. As you can see, the whole car almost it shake the whole lot. As you can see right there, pay attention. So if your car got the same problem, let's get into it and let's hope we can find that problem. Okay, let me tell you a little bit about this car and what is it doing, how it does. So I don't know if you have seen on my channel. This is the Toyota Yaris right now, and I did change the alternator out of then, and then after that the battery it went out. So right now the alternator it is brand new, battery it is brand new. This shaking problem it's been going on. Then it was shaking, and then I checked the alternator. It was bad alternator, so I changed it out, and it's okay. It's working, and still the shaking it's still shake like that. So finally, a week ago, the battery will not work. I had to charge it up and it will not hold charge no more. So now the battery is brand new, the alternator is brand new. But at this moment, it was doing this before, like before I changed the alternator, everything like that. So it is acting really weird. Um, let's just say I check the battery right now. It will be 12.5 or 12.6, something like that, and it's good. That should be like that, and it will do that right now if I do it. But I don't want to take more time and waste your time, so I'm just going to tell you right now. So and then when I start the car right now, it will start up as right now because it's got new battery, and then I will check the power and between the power between the alternator from there and here as well, and it will check out 14.2 and 14.5 at certain point. But and then next thing you will see later on, it will be like below 12, like sometimes it gets to 11 volts. And then you tune the AC on, it will raise back up again, go back to at 14 14.2 14.5. And sometimes when when you have the AC on, it will go down to 11 again, and then when you cut off the AC and then they rev the engine up, rev the engine up, and it will go back up to 14.5. So this thing is acting weird. It is a brand new alternator, brand new battery. So at this point, I don't know what to tell you, but stay tuned. Let's try to find out and hope we can succeed today. As I was saying, I checked everything out already. Everything's working fine. All the ground, chassis, everything's working in certain case. But when that's the problem like that, of course, or eventually, everything is going to act the same way. So I'm going to do some checking, and I will let you know if I find this problem, and that way you can fix yours. For example, at the alternator, I'm going to clean everything off over here, over around there, and over here, as you can see, some rust over here. I'm going to clean all the ground over there. Okay, now at this point, after cleaning up the positive cable all the way from the alternator to the battery and everything else over here, the fuse, everything I checked, everything here except right here, little bit ugly. I cleaned most of it up, but it's still, you see that? It is shaking a lot. As you can see right now, it is at 12.3 right there. And let me tune the AC and the light off right now. And now it is at 13. After 30 seconds or 1 minute, it went up to 14.2, and now it's going back down again. The voltage is going down. Okay, as I said, right now the AC and the light it is on, and this thing it will keep going down until 10 or 9 if I let it go down. Alright, now at this point I cleaned all the positive cable, everything in the battery here. I even changed this one out. It was really bad. But at this point, for example, at this light over here, I cannot adjust like high or low like this. And now it is working. So this part, it is fixed. So now since the car still shakes and still the voltage going up and down, going crazy at any time with the AC on, with the AC off. Alright guys, it is October 7 and I'm back with the result, the work I did on this one. And let me show you how is it doing. First of all, as you can see, the first fix we did is the Dashlight that's gone tunes off when you tune the headlight on. Before you cannot adjust this light up and down like this, and now it is working, and then you tune into bright. Before you it only works on bright like this, that's it, and cannot adjust it. When you move it down, it completely cuts off. And every time you tune the light on, or this light on the radio, and this light over here too, it tunes dim. It doesn't tunes off completely, but it's barely visible. And now you can see everything. So this is the first fix. Let me show you what fixed that one. I charge you clean everything, the battery cable and terminal right here, but it did not work. And clean down here the alternator, everything. But as you can see right now, it is new terminal on the positive and the negative right here. And this is the old one. This is how they look like. See, that's they are very old. I try to clean much as I can, but I cannot. It cannot get it to work. This is not as bad, but the other one right here, it's all inside right there, as you can see. So in order to fix this, you have to open everything up. But I don't think it's worth to open it, so I just replaced the whole thing. That's how bad this one was. So after all this and the light, it is working good. But after that, the car still shakes a lot when I tune the AC on, even after I change this. So now let me tune the headlight on, right there, and then tune the AC on high. There you go. And now as you can see, it does not shake. Of course it's still going to shake a little bit because it's going to run, the engine is running, everything, the AC fan and the clutch, everything coming on, it's going to shake a little bit, but it is not shaking as before. See, right now it is perfect. This is how I like it. It is good now, it's fixed. But let me show you how I fix this. Right now it's been running about 30 minutes right now. But as you can see, the voltage, it is 14.2. Before, as of right now, it would be at 9 or 10. It will go down. If I let it go down, it probably, the engine, it will cut off. So again, let me tune the AC on and the headlight on. So now the AC and the light on, it is still running between 13 and 14.2. So this is good. That's how it should be, like this. As I was saying, without the AC or the light on, it will go down tonight, everything like that. And same thing with the AC. and sometimes when you push the gas again, it will raise it back up the voltage, and sometimes it will always go down. So this is was confusing and it's crazy, but now I am happy I fixed it. So again, let me tell you how I fix this, and it's because I did step by step for me to give you the right answer. So first I did, as I said, I took the alternator off and clean over here between this bracket over here, took this one off, and then right here as well, and then the one in the bottom, I cleaned everything off and everything on the battery right here, and nothing worked. And then I cleaned the mass airflow sensor right here. It didn't work neither. And I checked all the vacuum hose. It none of those damaged. So finally, I decided to take this air cleaner hose off over here, and then I took the throttle body off from here over here. On the Toyota Yaris, it is very easy to fix. Only you take off two bolts and then two nuts locked down over there. And this thing over here should come off. It's got an O-ring in there, so you don't have to buy a new seal. It's very to do it. So I cleaned the inside the throttle body off. It was really dirty, so I cleaned everything off with throttle body cleaner or carburetor cleaner. I cleaned everything off, and then I put it back together. It is start working perfect. Okay, I hope this running mouth it helped you out a little bit. I mean, the reason I talk too much because I want to explain what I did. I don't want to do like other video out there and they just, oh, it's fixed, that's it, you know. But me, I took step by step. I changed one out, see if it worked or not. If it's not, go to the next one. That way I can give you the right answer. I'm not going to say, oh yeah, I cleaned the mass airflow sensor and the alternator and the battery, changed the battery, etc. No, I'm not going to do that. That's I say I took step by step. So now I can give you the right answer. So the Dashlight, it was the battery terminal right here, and the voltage dropping too much. It's because the throttle body is dirty. So in other words, it's probably both of this because this battery is not charging enough, doesn't blow enough power through it, and plus the engine sucking too much power when I tune the AC on and it will go down. So in other words, this is both fixed. I don't think the alternator it will work right now if I just clean that one. So this one will help as well because that's how the power went back up. So again, I hope this bad English mouth over here helps you out a little bit. And if it did, you know what to do to help this little guy out. Subscribe, share the video, and help somebody else out there. Once again, guys, I appreciate you watching this video. Until next video. Bye-bye.